Inner Health Sanctum. 4 natural ways to remove pesticides from fruits and vegetables. There are chemicals in the majority of the fruits and vegetables that we consume every day. These chemicals are called pesticides and are utilized by farmers to keep insects far from their crops. Nevertheless, in some cases some of the chemicals leave a residue on the vegetables and fruit. Most of the time, the residue cannot be seen without a scientific microscopic lens or possibly a magnifying glass. Even though we might not see the residue, we are most likely still consuming it. A lot of these chemicals can impact our health. If fruits and vegetables are consumed raw, without effectively being cleaned, you are consuming chemicals. This is essential because pesticides can cause cancer. They can likewise harm your nervous system and reproductive system. They can even cause birth defects to an unborn child. It is essential to keep in mind where you are acquiring your vegetables and fruit from and what types of chemicals, if any, that farmer usages. When possible, buy organic fruit and vegetables so that you know no pesticides were used on your fruit and vegetables. Regardless if you purchase organic or not, it is very important to effectively clean your vegetables and fruits to get rid of any residue. Listed below you will find 4 natural ways to remove pesticides from fruits and vegetables. These home pointers can make you feel healthier, increase your lifespan, and reduce your risk of illness. 1. Salt. Salt is a well-known substance all over the world. It can be found in a number of kinds. Rock salt and ground salt kills pesticides rapidly. In a bowl of clean water, add 1 cup of salt. Include the vegetables and fruits to the salt option. Permit them to take in the water for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, drain the salt water and include fresh water to the bowl. Rinse the vegetables and fruit in fresh water 5 times before consuming. The techniques and ideas listed above will remove almost 90% of any residue left from any chemicals the farmer may use. To be on the safe side, peel the skin of vegetables and fruits that have deep ridges on the skin. These are areas where the chemicals stick onto and remain. 2. Vinegar. Vinegar is one of the most powerful components that help to eliminate bacteria and pesticides from your vegetables and fruit. Fill a sink with water. Then, add 1 cup of white vinegar. Rinse the fruit and vegetables in this option. Place the vegetables and fruit in a tidy bowl. They are now ready to be eaten. 3. Baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate helps to eliminate the pesticides and chemicals from fruit and vegetables. Add 5 glasses of water to a huge bowl. Include 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Soak the vegetables and fruit in this option. Wait 15 minutes and then remove the fruits and vegetables. Wipe them dry. It is now safe to eat your healthy food. 4. Turmeric water. Turmeric is a spice that functions as an antibacterial. That implies that it can eliminate germs. To a bowl of boiling water, include 5 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Add the fruits and vegetables to the turmeric water. Wash the vegetables and fruit in the turmeric water. Transfer the fruit and vegetables to a bowl of clean water. Clean dry. These are the 4 natural ways to remove pesticides from fruits and vegetables. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to Inner Health Sanctum.